said I would never eat. Basically what it is, it's like a 16-day-old duck fetus. Something I swore I'd never eat, but I'm going to give it a go. Here it goes. Oh, very nice. I can see that. That's it. Game over. No.
Next on Market to Master.
On the next episode of Market to Master, we head further north on our Ilocos adventure. We visit a self-sustaining resort, and I also taste something I never thought I'd ever eat.